Hi everybody. Well, as you know, my hand this morning showed it that it was naked. So I'm going to dress it up right now. And what I also told you was that I'm going to do it with my left hand, and I'm right-handed, and I'm doing with this beautiful set of nails that's quite long to work with, so it's going to be funny. I've just started just a little bit. It's very difficult to see in the light right now. I will show you later how it looks at the end. But let me get started. I will start by putting on some gel polish. And I'm just doing a very thin layer, because I just like the shimmer that's in here. Now I need to hold my hand really steady, because it's still my left hand that I'm working with. It takes a lot of thinking and trying to control my hand, even though it's not very easy controllable. So now I've added the gel polish, and I need to cure it. So I have added just a hint of gel polish. So I'm going to use a green color drop, just to make that pattern on the nail. And I'm just adding it where I think it needs to be. Just a little bit more in the tip of the nail, like this. Then I'm using my acrylic detail brush, or whatever fine brush you have. I'm using this one. So, and I'm just adding my cleanser where I want it to be a little bit lighter, and where I want the color drops to gather in darker places. If I want more, if I'm not satisfied, I can add more of the color drops. But as you can see, it changes. So somewhere on the nail it's really dark, and somewhere it's quite light colored now. Now I need to add some black details, and I'm using a very small fine liner brush to add just a little bit of color liner gel. I'm just adding a little bit on the tip of the brush. Be careful that I'm trying to be careful that I'm not using too much, otherwise it will, be too much on the nail. And then I'm just adding small touch-ups to make it even darker somewhere. Then it should look like there is cracks. And somewhere I'm adding some some gel paint, but not everywhere, just some places where I think it's needed. And some of the lines I make very thin, and some of them I'm making just a little bit bigger to create a little lines in the design. Maybe adding just a little bit over here. There it is. I'm just pulling this line just to make it very thin at the end, like this. Now it needs to cure. Now it's cured, then I'm adding just a very thin layer of shiny top gel. Just to encapsulate the color drops. And then I'm adding the gold details on top. Now it needs to cure again. So I'm using a tiny brush that's even smaller than the one I used before, and it's actually gold glitter spider gel that I'm using for adding the gold details. I like the look of it, so that's the reason why. As you can see, makes really long lines, so I need to gather it just a little bit just to put in my touch here. Somewhere it needs to be really thin, and then I can pull it in a line. That's really good because it's spider gel. In other places I want it to be a little bit bigger, and I just add a little bit more. So I want some here as well. Just a little bit over here. That's a little bit more here as well, so I'm just piling it up and then making very thin strings when I want to pull it out into the thin lines. Like this. And I have my gold details. Can you see it? And then it needs to cure. So now it's cured. And now we'll go on with the next one. So as you can see, it is actually possible to work with these, even though it's a bit funny to grab stuff. But please follow me for more fun videos, and you can do that by adding me on Facebook, Nails Beauty and Wellness Academy, or look at my YouTube channel, Nails Beauty and Wellness, and I'll see you soon for more interesting nail videos.